In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the share code of your own estate design here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you do need to go ahead and open up the pause menu. Once you open up the pause menu, tab over to My Horizon, and then go into My Estates just like so, and then choose Manage Your Estates over on the right-hand side. From here, it's going to show you all of your estates. You essentially need to find the estate design that you want to share, and before you can even get that share code, you do have to make sure that the estate is shared publicly. If it's not shared yet, just press the menu or options button on your controller, or hit spacebar on keyboard to show it, and once it is, shared, which of course mine says unshare right now, but it'll say share for you. What you need to do is back out and either press the right stick on the controller, or you can press P on keyboard and it's going to open up the estate details. You just have to then hit RT or R2 on PlayStation, or tab on keyboard and it'll show you that share code just like so. Then you can copy it, send it to your friends, do whatever you got to do. That's the full process though. It really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.